Hello guys, this is from www.thetipsforyou.com. 4 is number 4. We'll be talking today about the unboxing of our Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. So this is the box which I have received when I bought the device. So we'll be covering these details today, how to connect the device. So this is the actual device which I have already taken from the box. If you see, this is very compact and it's a highly powerful device. You can call this as a small computer. So this having a 1 GB of RAM, and it have a lot of features. It comes with integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So see, we have 4 USB ports, 1 2 3 4, and it have also a Ethernet jack which will be connecting, and this HDMI port which will be connecting to the TV, and that's a micro USB for charging. And we have 40 GPIO pins which we'll be using mainly for our projects, which will be used as input and output devices. And we'll be doing all the programming on based of that. And this is the camera port which will be used to connect the camera. So we have to specifically get the camera cable for each model. So the project related to that will be using that. And we also have this display port. So these along with does not comes along with the device. So these are heat sinks which I bought separately and have installed in the device for performance and controlling the heat. Along with the device, I have also purchased the micro USB charger. So this is the one which is needed for charging. I also have bought a case. It's up to you if you want to have the case or not, but it's good to have a case so that it will be protected and it looks good. So let me install the case. I have to close all the sides. So this is how it will look. I have to close the upper cover. So it's now it looks very nice. You can see all the ports outside, so you don't have to open the device. I also purchased a micro SD card which is necessary, so let me insert it. I have already installed the Noops in it, which is the operating system I have set up. So this is how the device looks after putting the case. Overall it looks very nice. So let's connect to the external keyboard, which I have a USB keyboard, and also I have a USB mouse, and I have a HDMI cable which is connected to my TV. Let me plug in the charger, the micro USB charger, to switch on the Raspberry Pi. So let me switch on the device. So the television is on, and also the device is powering up. So you see this will be the boot up screen. It's loads very fast, so it just only take few seconds. Yeah, we are on the home screen. So this is how the home screen will look like. So we'll have the home button, or we can go to programming in Python, which will be used from our end for most of our programming or IoT projects. We have other options also available, so you can use it like a mini computer for your learnings and other stuff. So this is the overall setup. So please refer my site www.thetipsforyou.com and go through my post. Thank you everyone for watching and your support. Have a great day.